I'm dog walking my dog. So this is what we call a leash. This is a leash. Before taking your dog, you have to make sure you hold it like this in this end so that your dog cannot go everywhere. We are walking right now, so you can see right now my dog is in my position. See where the position is. Cuz, focus. Let's go. Come on. So you need to hold your dog in this end. If you let it go like this one, so my dog has all the freedom to go everywhere, and I don't want my dog to go everywhere. So I will have to hold my dog the other way, then leave. Come on. So wait. So my right foot has to be a little bit in front of my dog's head, so that while I'm moving, my dog is not in front of me ahead. So I will have to leave it behind me. Cuz, pay attention. No, sit. Good job. Wait. I want you to wait. All right, let's go. The reason why I keep on doing this, trying to chop his neck, is that I want him to pay the attention I want. I want him to pay the attention, because when your dog is pulling you, he's trying to take the whole of your energy. So you need to make sure your arm is strong. You keep on chopping the neck so that your dog pays attention. There your dog knows that he's doing something wrong. So you need to make sure while walking and he's excited in going in front, you just chop it and stays back. Cuz, let's go. So the reason why now I'm holding my dog in this end, we are now in a place where there are no people, so my dog won't be able to disturb some people. So I can also give my dog some freedom to be in any way. So let's go. So we are in the mountains. People, you should come and visit Rwanda. We have a lot of mountains. Yeah. So if you like hiking, Rwanda is one of the best places to go. Oh, Kaz, you're good? Oh, let's go the other way, so you can have the view. The place this is Rwanda. Come on, stop it, Kaz, stop it. So you can see right now he's just trying to make sure he move everywhere, cause I've given him some freedom, so we are going to hold him in the same way I told you like before. Hold your dog in a place that he won't disturb people. So we can show you some few basics